In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt with Google Sheets in 2 minutes. To begin, open Google Sheets in your browser and go to a spreadsheet. This can be a brand new blank sheet or an existing file you already use. The important thing is that you are inside the spreadsheet so you can access the add-ons area. Once your sheet is open, go to the top menu bar and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools that can be added on to expand what your spreadsheet can do. When you click Extensions, a menu will drop down with a few options. From that menu, click Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is basically an app store for Google tools like Sheets, Docs, and Slides. Give it a moment to load, since it can take a second depending on your connection. At the top of the Marketplace window, you will see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word Highlight. As you type, you should start seeing results appear. You are looking for an add-on called Chatgpt in Slides, Docs, Sheets trademark. When you see it in the results list, click on it to open the add-on page. On the add-on page, take a quick second to confirm you are selecting the correct tool. The page will show the add-on name and basic details. When you are ready, click the button labeled Install. This will start the installation process. Google will then ask you to confirm and may prompt you to choose the Google account you want to use with this add-on. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the required permissions so the add-on can run inside Google Sheets. These permissions are normal for add-ons that integrate with your spreadsheet, so just read through the prompts and continue. After installation finishes, the add-on is connected to Google Sheets and ready to use from the Extensions menu. And that is all there is to it.